Hey coders, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, please click subscribe, and if you're a regular, welcome back. So in this video I'll be doing frequently asked questions about Wethinkcode, but based on my experiences. So I've been getting a lot of questions on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and my channel on the comment section. So I will be answering some of the questions. It's not all questions. So let me get into it. Okay, so the first question is, since at Wethinkcode it's a peer-to-peer learning environment, what would you say was your biggest challenge with regards to transitioning from attending a university? At university I was very to myself. I didn't have any friends, so my biggest challenge was actually adapting and trying to actually start talking to people, because if I didn't, that means I would struggle and fall behind. So that was one of the biggest challenges for me. And then, is there any mental health assistance support offered? Yes, there is. And not just that, also there's a Wethinkcode group that actually supports you as a woman. What would be your advice on preparing for the 1-week boot camp, or even just being a student at Wethinkcode? Just be yourself. Be open to learning from other people, because if you don't open yourself up to learning from other people, you will fall behind. And one thing about Wethinkcode, it teaches you social skills and technical skills. So if you are lacking in social skills, you will be forced to actually socialize, and if you are lacking in technical skills, then you will get help. So on a day-to-day basis, do you think you have a designated time for learning, or is it a flexible space where you get to decide on the time which you learn? So you have to do 40 hours every week. Wethinkcode opens from Monday to Saturday. How you use your week to do your 40 hours is up to you. I used to do 8 hours each day from Monday to Friday. I went there at 8 to 4 p.m. So that's how I did my 40 hours, so that weekends are for myself. I don't need to go to campus, and sometimes I wouldn't even touch code. As this is your second year, if I'm not mistaken, how do you balance learning and self-care to avoid burnout? So like I said, weekends are for me. I go to campus during the week and do my hours. Especially last year, I'd go from 8 to 4, and then on weekends I wouldn't even touch code until it was close to the end, because then there was a lot that I had to do. What is something you wish you knew before attending Wethinkcode? I think I just wish I knew Wethinkcode actually before I went to varsity, or sooner. That's it. For the duration of the program, do they pay for accommodation, or they just handle the stipend? Wethinkcode only handles the stipend. What is the job placement judged by? Your marks or internships ethic? It's a whole lot of factors. Your performance, your performance at Wethinkcode, as well as your internship ethics while you're doing your internship. If you don't mind me asking, what is the rough estimation of the market-related salary? It's from 20k, I think, when you start as a junior. Do you think, in your opinion, it would be better to get an IT degree at university or to join Wethinkcode after matric? Me, personally, I would have went to Wethinkcode straight after matric, and then if I decide to continue with my studies, go to a university, because you learn a lot of things at Wethinkcode, and at varsity it's mostly theory. When I was at varsity, it was mostly about just learning for exams, and they do not prepare you for a workplace, whereby at Wethinkcode they prepare you for a work environment. Comparing the two, there are a lot of things that I didn't know while I was at varsity. So me personally, I would just join Wethinkcode I would have joined with Wethinkcode after matric, and then decide later if I want to continue with my degree. Since you attended at Wethinkcode, what was your experience like? It has been great. I think I did have a full explanation in my other video. which is linked up here. I've learned a lot. I've grown so much socially and my technical skills. And not even that, like when I joined Wethinkcode, I joined Content Club and I was a videographer, and now I've got like a year of experience as a videographer besides my Content Club, like besides my digital content things like YouTube things, and that makes my LinkedIn profile look like you girl are working, you know. So I've grown so much, I've gained so much experience, and it was not only focused in tech. And also as a mentor, it's only been a few months, but it's been so great. I've grown so much. And yeah, I got a question where they ask, do you pay for your own accommodation and where do you stay? All I can say is that yes, I do pay for my accommodation using stipend, and last year I used to travel, and now I stay closer to campus. I got other questions about the assessments when you apply. Yeah, I can't say much about the curriculum and the assessments. Those are the questions that I will be answering for now. I got a lot, but I'll probably do a part 2. The applications are open. You can start applying. It is a great experience. You gain great skills, and the IT industry is very broad, so you can do a lot, you know. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any other questions that I did not address, and maybe I'll do them on my other video for part 2. And do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. And thank you so much for 400 subscribers. We're growing. Let's go to the 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, until the next one, bye.